Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel where it's all about DIYs and fashion. And today's video I'm going to show you the process of making my oldest daughter, her birthday dress. It's a jumpsuit dress that's made by McCall's pattern, and I never have the pattern like next to me. Oh my god. I'm back. So basically it is McCall M7829. You know, I never to this day know why it's an M. Is it because it's M for McCall? You know, if anybody knows, just leave a comment down below. But I want to say it's M for McCall, but common sense really don't work well for me that well. I made her a really cute dress, and it's because she wanted me to. She asked me to, I think, on my daughter's first birthday, my youngest, because it's a video on my channel. You can go watch it as well, of a mommy and me outfit that I made for my daughter. So I told her yeah, and she was like, okay mommy, I want an all green dress. And I'm just like, all green, let's just add less originality and more extraness to it, because I like to sprinkle extra on everything. That's just who I am. My name is Germany. My name is extra as it is. Like, it's Germany with a JHERMINEE. If you can't spell that, I'll spell it right here for you. And so if you're watching this Friday, yesterday was her birthday. So I'm so excited how it came out. It's really cute, and it's so girly and colorful and fun, because I feel like nowadays there's no fun in like little girl clothing anymore. This is what I've done, and I'm going to show you the video of me actually picking out the fabric in JOANN's, because that's where I got it, and all the material and where my head was at. And no further ado, let's get on to this video. On a Sunday morning, I decided to go to JOANN's to get these fabrics for this project. And honestly, I was torn between these fabrics that I had here. And I went with more of a warmer tone because, we're in October now, and I just felt more of a vibe with that one, with the rainbow fabric instead of the rest of them. I just felt like they gave me more summer vibes. So I just went ahead with the rainbow one. I know I'm repeating myself, but yeah, I went with the rainbow one. And after that, I went on to the tulle and mesh area, which they're having a sale on that. I don't know if they still are, but the tulles were $3 for 4. So basically a yard. So 3 yards for $4. And also I decided to stick with this jersey knit, the polka dotted one, for the shirt. And I always wanted to mix fabric, mix patterns together, because I thought it was always a fun look. And so for the thread, I got like a hot pink color, because I wanted to tie the hot pink tulle into the dress just so it could be cohesive. And as well as the 12-inch zipper that I'm going to get. And excuse my language on my notes, because those are also my notes for my YouTube ideas. And also I got this 12-inch zipper in the hot pink as well, because I just want everything to be cohesive. I know I'm like repeating myself so much, but I just wanted to make it clear that this look is also mixed colors and mixed patterns, but also it ties together. So now that I'm done getting everything that I need, I'm gonna check out and head on home so I can start making this outfit. And this is the future me talking, so it sounds kind of funny. But let's get on to the video. And also, if y'all like when I don't talk during the process of me making it, or you guys do like when I talk when I make the outfit or doing whatever, just leave it in the comments below, and I'll do whatever is preferred for. But let's just get on to the video.
you run everything?
Mm-hmm.
You think you run everything?
Don't pet mommy. Pat it.
I have succumbed to this passive sensation, peacefully falling away. I am a zombie, young wish will command me. Laugh as I fall to my knees. Bring it back, sing it back. Bring it back, sing it back to me. Bring it back, sing it back. Bring it back, sing it back to me. Bring it back, sing it back. Bring it back, sing it back to me. Bring it back, sing it back. Bring it back, sing it back to me. Bring it
watching this video. It really means so much to me that you guys are watching my content. And you know, I come out with a new video every Friday, and I try to keep it consistent, like with the time, but it's not really that easy, especially when I have 4 kids to take care of, as well as virtual learning with my 2 oldest. So I just, you know, bear with me a little bit, because it's really not that easy to edit and sew and all that stuff. But I really do enjoy the process of making garments and DIYs. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel. And bye.
I can't remember nothing, no.